Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we will talk about ChurchWindows, which is all-in-one church management software. We will talk about it in the matter of what it's worth, and also I'll tell you what it's all about. We will go through some pros and cons, and we'll see what we can do in it. So, ChurchWindows software is a platform used to manage membership information in an easy, accessible layout. The software offers tools to create and share the calendar of events on the church website or by email. Track donations with detailed reports to measure the accounts receivable owed to the church. Small, medium companies make use of this software more than, for example, the large enterprises, obviously. So if you have a small church and you want to get on tracks with all the events that you are planning and all the gifts, all the donations, this is excellent for you. So as I said, it's made for small, let's call it businesses, small and medium businesses, and ChurchWindows is providing very nice support to their customers. If we want to check the unlimited ChurchWindows pricings, we can do it by just clicking on them. As you can see, at the moment they are running 50% off, but they are going by modules. So one module is regular price $379, but with the web on desktop you can get a discount. 2 modules, 3 and 4 modules, which is up to $535. Then they are offering the extra network license for connecting computers or accounts receivable, which is basically add-on if you want to also get in track with your accounts. In the standard modules you have membership, scheduler, donations, accounting and payroll. For donating you can basically import electronic giving automatically from major online giving services, enter giving quickly and easily, utilize robust pledge capabilities with unlimited campaigns and time periods, and many more. You can also check the free demo that they are providing, and you have to basically ask for them to send you the demo. You'll go by a contact name of your church, which is mandatory, city and state, committee members, phone, cell, or email. All of them are mandatory. On what day would you like your webinar? This is a little bit offset, but yeah, they probably can work in it. Which modules would you like to cover? Select all, or membership, donations, accounting, or payroll. It's completely up to you. And you can download free trial, but also at the moment I'm not running any church, so I'm not allowed to participate in the free trial on ChurchWindows, but I believe they can basically offer you exactly what you need to run your church. They have web hosting partners. You can learn about them, that they are not some kind of fraud company that is providing something they can't really come with the terms to. They are professionals, so they can really help you. You can learn about them at Copy.ai, which is top software reviews. Also, as you can see, you can go to the shop and basically buy all the extensions, all the modules for yourself. We have one module which is update and support for 6 months. It's 63, 2 modules, 3 modules, update and support for 184. So it's not the cheapest of the softwares. you have to come across this idea that you are going to pay for it to micromanage your church. Then Accounting 101, Accounting 101 printed version or downloadable. It's basically $10 more. Also 102, and they have up to, I believe, 91 offers in their shop. I'm actually quite interested if they have some merch, but I really doubt that. So I strongly recommend you trying this one if you have your church already set up and you are in desperate need of software that's gonna keep it tight for you and micromanage all your as you can see, payrolls, accounting, track your donations. And I'm really curious about donations, so yeah, we can check it out. Also scheduler for the events, all the meetings and everything you could possibly need with ChurchWindows. We will go and make more videos about, for example, like a church track. We'll try to compare them all together so you can see and you'll find out which one is the best for your church in every way. If it's memberships, donations, payrolls, or accounting, it's completely up to you to decide. And also we will compare even the support, so how long it's going to take them to reach back at you. This one is provided mainly for US region because I don't think that they will find much of a customers in EU. Maybe Australia would be acceptable or will be a nice option for them as well. If you have any questions about ChurchWindows, please guys leave them under in this video. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Until then, consider like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and yet again, you can basically wait for more about church softwares in the future. So together we will find out which one is the best. Until then, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.